Imagine driving to work, reaching heavy traffic, and instead of waiting in line, your car unfolds its wings and lifts into the sky. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's happening right now. Engineers around the world are building flying cars that combine cutting-edge electric propulsion, autonomous technology, and revolutionary aerospace engineering. Some are already completing successful flights, while others are preparing for commercial production. Today, we're exploring 20 incredible flying cars that could completely transform the future of transportation. Let's begin with one of the most groundbreaking vehicles ever created. Imagine owning an aircraft that's almost as easy to use as a family car. That's the ambitious goal behind the Helio Solo, a next-generation personal eVTOL designed to make flying accessible to everyday people. Instead of relying on a traditional runway, it lifts off vertically using multiple electric propellers, allowing it to operate from surprisingly small spaces. Its lightweight airframe improves efficiency while helping reduce energy consumption and operating costs. Advanced flight assistance technology is intended to simplify the flying experience, making personal aviation less intimidating for new pilots. Quiet, compact, and futuristic, the Helio Solo demonstrates how electric aviation is evolving toward practical daily transportation rather than remaining an exclusive luxury. What if your daily commuter could simply fly over traffic instead of sitting in it? That's exactly the vision behind the Alef Model A, one of the world's first road-legal electric flying cars. Unlike conventional aircraft, it can drive on public roads before transitioning into flight using its innovative distributed electric propulsion system. Most flying vehicles rely on propellers that push air in one direction, but the CycloTech CruiseUp takes a completely different approach. It uses an advanced cyclo-rotor propulsion system that can instantly redirect thrust in multiple directions without tilting the aircraft. This breakthrough gives the vehicle exceptional stability, precision, and maneuverability during takeoff, landing, and hovering. Powered entirely by electricity, the CruiseUp is designed for efficient urban transportation while reducing noise compared to conventional rotorcraft. Its futuristic design isn't just about appearance. It's built around a propulsion technology that could redefine how eVTOL aircraft operate. If successful, this innovation may become one of the biggest advancements in urban air mobility. XPeng has already earned a reputation for pushing electric vehicle innovation, and the XPeng X3 Flying Car takes that ambition to an entirely new level. Designed as a futuristic personal aircraft, it combines intelligent flight controls with advanced electric propulsion to create a smooth and stable flying experience. Multiple independent rotors provide vertical takeoff and landing, eliminating the need for runways while allowing flexible operation in urban environments. The cockpit features digital displays and smart flight assistants designed to reduce pilot workload. With its aerodynamic styling and emphasis on safety, the X3 reflects XPeng's long-term vision of integrating personal air mobility into everyday transportation. If you love the thrill of flying, the pivotal Helix is built to deliver an experience unlike almost anything else. This lightweight, single-seat electric aircraft features an open-frame design that gives pilots an incredible panoramic view during flight. Constructed with advanced composite materials, it balances strength with minimal weight for improved performance. Multiple electric motors provide responsive vertical takeoff and landing, while sophisticated onboard software continuously helps maintain stability. Unlike larger passenger eVTOLs, the Helix focuses on personal freedom and recreational flying, offering a unique blend of innovation and excitement. It proves that the future of aviation isn't just about transportation. It's also about making flight more accessible and enjoyable. Luxury and innovation rarely come together this seamlessly. The Bellwether Volar isn't just another eVTOL concept. It's a bold vision of premium urban air mobility. Inspired by modern supercars and private jets, the Volar features a sleek aerodynamic body with enclosed electric ducted fans that enhance both efficiency and passenger safety. Inside, the spacious cabin is designed to offer a first-class travel experience, complete with advanced digital controls and panoramic visibility. Intelligent flight systems are expected to assist pilots while reducing workload during takeoff, cruising, and landing. With its elegant design and emphasis on comfort, the Bellwether Volar demonstrates how future air taxis could combine cutting-edge technology with luxury normally reserved for high-end automobiles. The XPeng X2 is one of the few flying vehicles that has already completed numerous successful demonstration flights, proving that personal eVTOL technology is rapidly becoming a reality. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber structure, this two-seat aircraft uses 8 electric motors paired with 8 propellers to deliver smooth vertical takeoffs and stable flight. Its intelligent flight control system continuously monitors performance, helping maintain balance while improving safety. The panoramic cockpit gives passengers breathtaking views throughout the journey, while the zero-emission electric powertrain offers quieter operation than conventional helicopters. Designed primarily for short urban trips, the X2 showcases how future city transportation could become faster, cleaner, and dramatically more. Imagine stepping into what looks like a futuristic sports car, pressing a button, and rising effortlessly into the sky. That's the experience the Doroni H1-X aims to deliver. This sleek two-seat eVTOL combines luxury styling with practical engineering, featuring multiple enclosed electric ducted fans that provide vertical takeoff without exposed propellers. The streamlined cabin offers digital flight controls, advanced safety systems, and exceptional visibility through its large canopy. Doroni is also developing intelligent flight assistants to make personal aviation more approachable for everyday users. With its modern design, quiet electric propulsion, and focus on convenience, the H1-X represents one of the most exciting visions of premium personal air transportation currently in development. Forget Formula One. This is the future of motorsport. The Airspeeder Crewed MK4 is the world's first electric flying race car, built specifically for high-speed aerial competition. Powered by hydrogen electric propulsion, the MK4 produces extraordinary power while maintaining zero in-flight emissions. Its lightweight carbon fiber chassis and advanced aerodynamic design allow it to accelerate with incredible speed and agility through specially designed race circuits in the sky. Sophisticated flight computers help maintain stability during aggressive maneuvers, while rapid response electric motors deliver instant thrust. More than just a racing machine, the MK4 serves as a technology testbed, helping engineers develop future high-performance eVTOL. The dream of electric air taxis is becoming increasingly realistic, and the vertical Aerospace VX4 is leading that transformation. Designed to carry multiple passengers, this advanced eVTOL combines fixed wings with powerful electric propellers to achieve efficient vertical takeoff and high-speed forward flight. Unlike many early concepts, the VX4 is being developed with commercial operations in mind, focusing on passenger comfort. Imagine owning a vehicle that can literally separate into 2 machines, one for the road and another for the sky. That's the futuristic concept behind the Gac Gove. Unlike traditional flying cars, Gove features a modular design where the passenger cabin can detach from its road chassis and connect to an autonomous flying module. This innovative approach allows the ground vehicle to remain parked, while the flight unit carries passengers directly to their destination. Powered by an all-electric propulsion system and supported by intelligent autonomous technology, the Gove is designed to reduce urban congestion while maximizing convenience. Although still in development, its revolutionary architecture could completely redefine how future transport. For decades, engineers have dreamed of creating a flying car that anyone could own, and the Terrafugia TF-X is one of the boldest attempts to turn that dream into reality. Designed as a plug-in hybrid electric aircraft, the TF-X combines road driving capability with vertical takeoff and efficient winged flight. Folding wings allow it to transition between driving and flying modes with remarkable convenience, while advanced flight computers are expected to automate much of the flying process. The spacious cabin is built for comfort, and intelligent navigation systems aim to simplify long-distance travel. By combining automotive practicality with aircraft performance, the TF-X represents an ambitious vision for personal transportation in the decades ahead. What if your family SUV could also fly? That's exactly what makes the ASKA A5 so fascinating. Built as a practical 4-seat vehicle, it can drive on public roads before transforming into an electric aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and efficient forward flight. Unlike many futuristic concepts, the A5 is designed with real-world usability in mind, featuring foldable wings, hybrid electric propulsion, and an extended travel range that supports both daily commuting and regional trips. Advanced flight assistance systems help improve safety while reducing pilot workload, making operation more approachable. By combining everyday driving convenience with the freedom of flight, the ASKA A5 brings the flying car dream closer to practical reality. Few flying cars have captured global attention quite like the Klein Vision AirCar, and for good reason. Unlike many concept vehicles, this remarkable machine has already completed successful intercity flights. What makes it truly extraordinary is its seamless transformation. In just a few minutes, the AirCar converts from a sleek sports coupe into a fully functional aircraft by extending its wings and tail section. Powered by a conventional aircraft engine, it delivers impressive cruising performance while remaining road legal after landing. Inside, drivers enjoy a comfortable automotive cabin that quickly becomes an aircraft cockpit when it's time to fly. The AirCar proves that road-to-air transportation is no longer science fiction. It's already taking flight in the real world. The PAL V Liberty is one of the closest flying cars to real commercial availability, making it one of the most exciting vehicles on this list. Instead of using electric rotors, it transforms into a gyroplane, combining proven aviation technology with everyday road performance. On the highway, it drives much like a sporty three-wheeled vehicle, but once you reach a suitable takeoff area, its rotor blades unfold and the rear propeller deploys, converting it into an aircraft within minutes. This innovative design offers impressive fuel efficiency, long flight endurance, and reliable handling in both driving and flying modes. The J2000 Flying Car represents another bold step toward merging automotive convenience with aviation technology. Designed with a sleek aerodynamic profile, it aims to deliver efficient performance both on the ground and in the air. Engineers have focused on reducing weight through advanced composite materials while integrating modern navigation systems and intelligent flight controls. The spacious cockpit is expected to feature digital instrumentation, making operation more intuitive for future pilots. Its streamlined body isn't just visually impressive, it also helps improve aerodynamic efficiency during flight. Although still developing toward commercial reality, while many flying cars are still prototypes, the EHang EH216 has already demonstrated what the future of autonomous air travel could look like. This two-passenger electric aircraft is designed to fly without a traditional pilot, relying instead on sophisticated autonomous flight software and multiple redundant systems to navigate safely. Equipped with 16 independent electric propellers mounted on 8 arms, the EH216 provides exceptional stability and reliability throughout every stage of flight. Passengers simply enter their destination, fasten their seatbelts, and let the aircraft handle the journey. Imagine driving down the highway in a sleek sports car, arriving at a nearby airport, and within minutes, transforming your vehicle into a high-performance aircraft. That's exactly what the Switchblade flying sports car is designed to do. Its innovative folding wing system and retractable tail allow the transformation from road vehicle to airplane in just a few minutes. Powered by an efficient engine optimized for both driving and flight, the Switchblade delivers sports car styling with genuine cross-country flying capability. The enclosed cockpit offers modern digital controls, while its lightweight composite construction helps maximize both speed and fuel efficiency. Instead of replacing your car or your airplane, the Switchblade combines both into one extraordinary machine, making it one of the most practical and exciting roadable aircraft currently under development. Saving one of the most revolutionary aircraft for last, the Lilium Jet showcases a completely different vision for the future of flight. Rather than functioning as a personal flying car, it's designed as a premium all-electric eVTOL capable of transporting multiple passengers between cities quickly, quietly, and with zero in-flight emissions. What makes the Lilium Jet truly unique is its system of dozens of electrically powered ducted fans integrated directly into the wings and forward canards. This innovative design enables smooth vertical takeoff before transitioning seamlessly into efficient wing-borne flight, allowing significantly higher cruising speeds than many traditional multicopter eVTOLs.